The second umbilical now retracted, initiating the launch sequence, standing by for engine launch commanding. We have engine start. Turbo pumps up to flight speed. And liftoff. We have liftoff of the Progress resupply ship heading into the express lane bound for the International Space Station. Roll, pitch, and yaw program reported in good shape from the blockhouse down in Baikonur. Good vehicle stabilization. "45 seconds into the flight, engine chamber pressures are nominal. Yaw, pitch, and roll is nominal. This is animation based on telemetry being received back at the Russian Mission Control Center in Korolyov. The flight is reported to be nominal. The vehicle passing now through maximum dynamic pressure. Parameters are normal on the vehicle. Good engine chamber pressures. All engines are in nominal shape according to the blockhouse in Baikonur as we come up on the 1 minute 30 second mark into the flight.